Most people do not lose money in dramatic ways. They lose it quietly. A little here, a little there, small habits that seem harmless, yet slowly drain the life from financial growth. Like weeds in a garden, they creep in unnoticed. They spread quietly. They steal nutrients meant for something healthy to flourish. And before long, what should have grown strong begins to weaken. Today, we are uncovering 5 hidden financial weeds that may be choking your wealth, and more importantly, how to pull them out by the root. If you have ever wondered where your money keeps disappearing, this is for you. Welcome to Wealth Seedling, where small seeds of wisdom grow into lasting financial harvest. The first weed is the creeping vine, ghost subscriptions, old streaming services you no longer watch, forgotten memberships, apps charging quietly each month, services that keep taking long after they stopped serving. Alone they seem harmless. Together they wrap around your budget like a vine around a young tree. What is unnoticed often grows strongest. This week, check every recurring payment. Pull out what no longer serves your future. The second weed is the parasite. Small convenience spending, delivery charges, ATM fees, rush purchases, paying extra simply because waiting feels inconvenient. Little by little, these costs feed on your financial soil, not enough to alarm you, yet enough to weaken roots over time. Ask yourself one simple question. Is this convenience worth delaying my growth? The third weed is the thistle. Impulse spending. A snack here, a quick online order there, one more item added at checkout. One turn seems small. A field of turns changes everything. The money spent on passing wants could have become planted seed. The fourth weed is the overgrowth. Lifestyle creep, income rises. Spending rises with it. A better salary arrives, yet financial peace never does. Bigger expenses quietly grow where stronger roots should have formed. More income should strengthen roots and deepen the soil for future growth. The deepest weed is root rot, high interest debt. It grows underneath the surface, hidden, quiet, destructive. It drains strength from tomorrow to feed today. Some damage grows where eyes cannot see, until the whole plant begins to suffer. Wealth is hardly destroyed in one dramatic storm. More often, it is quietly weakened by what was left growing in the soil. Pull the weeds, protect the roots. Feed what matters. A healthy garden grows through attention, patience, and wise care. Plant wisely today, harvest peacefully tomorrow. Before you leave today, take a quiet moment and ask yourself, what has been growing in my financial garden that should no longer be there? Is it unnoticed spending, impulse buying, convenience that quietly costs too much, lifestyle habits that have outgrown wisdom, or debt that keeps feeding on tomorrow? Whatever it is, begin there. Do not try to clear the whole garden in one day. Simply pull one weed at a time. Small, steady care creates healthy roots. Healthy roots create lasting growth, and lasting growth creates peaceful harvest. If this message has helped you, share in the comments which financial weed you are pulling first. I would love to hear from you. Until next time, plant wisely today, harvest peacefully tomorrow. I am Adifemi, and this is Wealth Seedling.